We're going that way. Akit tayo dyan. And it's gonna be exciting, guys. So, yeah, follow me. Look at the scenery, right? It's so nice. And look at the wild geese over there, taking a bath. See, so guys, makita niyo doon sa dulo, may namimingwit. Yeah.
Doon na mamamatay yung mga salmon, yung bing.
Yeah.
Ano ba
May
yun?
pinuntahan tayo doon sa north. Yeah. Naalala mo nagbiyahe tayo? Tapos yung tawag dito, nagma-migrate na yung mga salmon, yung
Oo, doon na sila.
paakyat na sila. Yeah.
Usually umakit sila sa mga small na waterfalls.
Yun nga, bakit nag
So guys, look how beautiful the place. Nakita niyo yung river na yan. So sometimes there's may nagkakayak diyan. So ngayon hindi siya busy, pero you know, ang atmosphere talaga is parang if you are like watching a movie, pwede siyang gamitin itong lugar na ito sa background. It's really nice. It kinda eerie kasi foggy ngayon dito. We follow this path and there's a footbridge here. So as I keep saying, look at the place, right? It's really nice. And there's oh! Ang galing naman ang timing ko. Yeah? Wow! May dumaan na train. So, look at meron doon na 2 swans. Yeah. Tingnan natin Yeah, look at that.
No one entered
See, there's a swan.
web, spider web kasi. So napaka ng Panginoon.
Yeah.
So now we're
Na-spell siya.
now we are walking in on a
Hindi siya
footbridge.
huli.
So enclosure siya.
Able to spread yung mga carpet ngayon from
Look at that.
That's that's
Tingnan niyo yung dalawang swans, oh.
that's how God protected.
Ah.
them. Yun lang naman ang parang gusto kong
Yeah.
Actually magandang yan sa
marriages.
mga ganyan.
Ah,
Walang iwanan.
That's
parang,
why, yeah.
Yung current, no, parang yung paso, yung kanya, no, dinadaanan niya.
Ito yung area, location naman na maganda tumambay if you are enjoying landscape, if you are enjoying you are on top and then seeing seeing everything like this. That's what I'm seeing right now.
Hindi mo gusto out of fear, out of different types of
Yeah.
thought, na para bang
Sometimes
The camera cannot justify how beautiful how pretty the place, right? So I don't know how will you appreciate it if you see this in my video, but if you are here actually and seeing it with your own eyes, it's really napakaganda, and it kind of give you some kind of a therapeutic feelings kasi nga it's really nice to meditate. Yeah. So
It's relaxing for facing the nature.
yes. So now we're gonna continue walking, guys. So yeah, so we're gonna head this way. Okay, so last look.
because factor is
So guys, these are my company. That is Brother Ramon, Brother Kila, and Pastor Joey. We're actually this is a very no, not very. It's a unique way of celebrating an occasion right now. This is a special day for one of my friends here, but I'm not gonna say who. But it's so obvious right now. Somebody's pointing at him. So just guess, guys, is what kind of celebration, what kind of special day that we are celebrating right now. Yeah. So guys, dito naman may part dito na, so kanina hindi ba naglalakad kami, and then parang there's another entrance for a park. So ito yon. So there's a gazebo, no, not gazebo, pavilion. So like a picnic area where you can have your mga baon nyo, or if you have a celebration pwede nyo gawin dito. So this is the park, guys. Tingnan nyo naman yung park, napakaganda. Look at that, right? So I don't know guys if naririnig niyo yung huni ng ibon. This is what I like about pag pumunta ka sa mga parks. Kasi maririnig mo yung huni ng mga ibon. Ano ba mga ibon dito? We have pag summertime, andyan na yung blue jays, andyan na yung robin, saka yung parang maya. So yeah. So yeah, we're still keep walking, and our goal is to get to reach that lighthouse, a small lighthouse. So yeah. Okay. So guys, tingnan niyo naman yung mga grupo ko, di ba? You know, this is really, it's a privilege to be with them. Hindi ito mga basta-basta. You know, it's like I'm with people, dignitaries, you know? Yeah. So, yeah, we're still walking. Naglalakad kami kasi nga mayroon kaming pupuntahan, as I've said a while ago. Views right now, like the lakes over there, and the plant, the poison ivy, you know, and then the birds, you know, kakaiba yung mga poisonous plants na sabi na may nakapaskil dyan sa gilid. So you know, you gave that curiosity to see them, to see the plants, and now naging mission namin is to look for that plants. Di ba?
Wow. Naging siya.
Wow.
Naging sa ano, sa news.
Rabbit.
Oh, rabbit?
Ang rabbit.
Yeah.
Where?
Kaya kanina doon. So, it's a long footbridge, and I think in the middle we can see the lake again and the river. Yan ang hindi ko alam kung anong river yung naandoon. Saan siya galing, but it's a river. Right? So ang ganda ng footbridge, mahaba siya. So guys, how is it so far? Did you enjoy our long walk?
Yes,
Come on,
enjoying.
say something, you know.
We have to keep.
My reputation is on the line. Yeah. So look at that. So there's a small beach, you know, but I think it's a secluded area. But I saw there's a parang it's, you think so? That it is not.
Forget it. Look at the fire.
It's a river, small river here, and yeah, nakakaano nga lang, no? Talagang parang gubat na siya, guys. Yeah. So guys, look at that. That's our celebrant. Yeah. So we still walking on this footbridge, and before we get to our destination, and then once we get, that would keep you going. Tama ba?
I agree.
Yeah. So, wow. Pupunta tayo doon pa. So, it's another walk. But, I know we will make it. So, malayo din talaga. So, actually, yung kasama namin medyo napagod na. But, you know, let's not give up, right? So, okay. So this is my front, our front right now. Still lake. Like, parang naglalakad lang kami sa gilid ng lake. Okay. So, yep. Nandito na kami sa sa Frenchman's Bay West Park. So ano na ito, sakop na ito actually ng Pickering. So we are in Pickering right now. So ito, this is the path going to that is Frenchman Bay West Lighthouse ata yun eh. Okay, so ganito yan. Nalala ko dito, pandemic time. Everybody here in Toronto doesn't know what to do. They stuck in the house, right? Kasi nga we are not allowed to go out. Kasi nga pandemic, yung COVID time. So, but they recommend you also to go somewhere like do something like biking, strolling in the park, as long that you have this precaution of distancing with each other. So yun. So ako naman that time I bought a scooter at this is my first na pinuntahan, yung haba niya. So inanap ko ito sa map and nakita ko nga siya, ang tawag niya is Frenchman Bay West. So yeah, kaya hindi ko makalimutan itong lugar na ito, and I'm really looking forward to come here again, to go here and see the place kasi it's a memorable for me dahil nga it's it reminds me of pandemic time. Yeah. So guys, oh, this is amazing. Last year, not last year, ng pandemic time, hindi pa na masyado nilang dinevelop tong area na ito. But I think the purpose of this platform is for the kayakers like this one. So dito sila actually maglo-load for the kayaking. Kasi
Happy birthday.
happy birthday. Kasi ideal itong area na to for kayaking talaga. Look at how huge, how wide the is this can you consider this a lake or a pond? Is this a pond or a lake?
Lake.
Yeah. So sa Frenchman Bay West. So, yeah. Wow. Actually, ang ganda dito eh. Worth it guys yung lakad namin. I mean, kahit ganun kahaba, I mean, you cannot have this, this kind of experience seeing this place. So, in fact, these people, my company are so excited to do the picture taking, Look at them, eh? They are so happy. I could see it in their face that they are so excited to be part of this. Ang arte ko na. Ay, naka-video pala. That's it. I'm gonna go back now to tuloy na yung aming paglalakad. Actually, hindi pa ito tapos this is not actually our destination. It's just like, as I've said, it's the journey, right, that counts. Kasi imagine we go to that destination and we find this, we discovered this place, we found this place, and very nice, beautiful. Yeah, there's a lot of changes in this area when the last time I came here. Ngayon may mga structures na bago tulad dito behind me. Mga structures na ganyan, parang pavilion or something. Yeah. And then even that one, that lake over there. So guys, medyo mag-iinarte tayo ngayon. I kind of feel emotional kasi finally, for the second time, I reached my goal. I remember this. I was driving my scooter and I got this far. So now I'm walking, as you can see over there. That is my last destination. Siguro ipakita ko sa inyo yung old video ko I did for this one. It's really nice. So, yeah. Actually, ang kabila is another parang small lighthouse there. Pero there's no bridge to cross. I think you have to go that far. You have to go around to get that area. Yeah, or you could swim. Remember Kila, nag-swimming tayo dyan, yung mga church. Diyan tayo nag-picnic eh. So,
It was also like raining before last time.
guys, kung nakita niyo yung doon, yung building doon, do you know what's that? That's a nuclear power plant.
Legal.
So guys, tawag dito, let's have this, what do you call this?
Lighthouse, di ba?
Oh, ulitin. Ano sa Tagalog ang lighthouse? Yun. Answer down below sa comment. So, curious din ako. Actually, hindi ko alam eh. Kunwari lang hindi ko alam. So, what is the Tagalog of lighthouse? Okay. So guys, ano na tayo ngayon? We're gonna explore that lighthouse. We're gonna walk behind it, the front. So ito yung ano niya, surroundings niya. Mabato. So yan yung lighthouse. Punta tayo sa pinakadulo kung ano yung makikita dyan. So there's another parola. Ay, lighthouse. Yeah. So ito ang pinakaano na lang ang nagdi-divide sa kanila yung parang outlet or parang inlet or outlet ba 'yon? Para kasi parang there's a pond there, isang malaking pond na kung saan doon yung mga kayaking activities. So, and then if you can see that far, I will get it close up, guys. Sige nga, hulaan niyo kung ano yan. Actually, that's a nuclear power plant. So, yeah. So, maganda yung lugar but it's close to nuclear power plant. But safe naman, guys. Safe naman. Yeah, so ito yung surroundings niya. It's really nice to just sitting down, relax, and you know, maganda magmuni-muni as you can see those mga kagrupo ko, yung mga kasama ko, just sitting down, relaxing, and nakatanaw lang, nagme-meditate siguro. At then yung isa naman busy sa kaka-picture kasi nga maganda nga naman talaga yung lugar na ito, hindi ba? You know? So look at that. There you go.
Makita mo man sila na malapit sa'yo bayad pero napapakawala na nila yung
So guys, so that's it. Natupad na rin yung pangarap ko na makabalik ulit dito, you know. Kasi 'di ba, sabi ko nga sa inyo na nung pandemic time, dito ako nagpunta, in-explore ko talaga yung area namin sa Scarborough. So I go far east, so it's part of Pickering, so it's another city. And ito nga ang makikita mo dito. It's a beautiful scenery. So guys, thank you for watching, you know. Siguro dito ko na i-end itong YouTube ko na video clip. So thank you for, if you get this far, thank you again. Thank you for watching, and see you for the next hindi natin alam kung anong magiging next na vlog ko, but looking forward to see you again, guys. Okay, bye, peace.